Traditional folk song. It's one that I've done a lot of different versions of it over the years by various people. It's one you see played quite often clawhammer style on the banjo. But even though it's a very old song, it's one that's kind of new to me. I first heard it about a month ago. I went up to New York to a bluegrass festival called Gray Fox, where I've been going for a couple of years now. And in the dance tent one night, there was a string band, and they played the song, and as soon as I heard it, I absolutely fell in love with it. So I bought their CD and listened to it the whole car ride home. And as soon as I got home, I attempted to arrange it for the uke, which ended up being quite a challenge, but I did it for you today. So this is called the Cuckoo. Oh, the cuckoo, she's a pretty bird. She warbles as she flies. Oh, she never cries cuckoo.